This is the elevator here at Boscov's at Plymouth Mall. Nice old Otis. Oh. Going down?
Yep. There's room, Jessa. Are you going to one?
Yep.
Okay. It's going to stop at 2 first, okay?
I know. I can live with that.
And are we checking tickets through the floor? Like you do a four-way and you put a post-it on it, meaning it's done and everything on there has a ticket. Can you guys start that?
Okay.
For women's and lingerie.
Okay.
You getting off at 2?
No, I gotta go down the
Okay.
Oh, you all going down?
Yeah. Thanks, Kate.
You're welcome.
So how you folks doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm a bit sad.
Why?
Well, I heard about the plan to tear down this mall, and so I decided to come out here and make a documentary paying tribute to it.
Oh, that's nice. But the whole mall's not going. Just pieces of it are.
I know, but it could affect some parts of it, like the Dave & Buster's as well as the Legoland.
Right, right.
Yep. So anyway, that's it.